Hello, welcome back. Today we are drawing an orange. O for orange. Let's start from the top. A small curve, then a line from it. This is your stem. Now from the stem, we will create a leaf. For that, one curve, another curve. This is your leaf. Now we need to draw a circle. If you have trouble drawing a circle, please feel free to use a small lid, a bangle, or a small circular bowl to help you draw the circular shape. I am drawing it in parts. So be slow, careful, and it's perfectly fine if it's not a perfect circle. Many oranges are also not perfect circles. And here's the last part. And here we've completed our orange circle. Now, time to draw two eyes because ours is an happy orange. So first, let's make a big circle. Now make a smaller circle inside and fill up the remaining part. You can use the same pen, pencil, or sketch pen that you're using for drawing to fill the circle up. Go slow, fill up the white spaces, and then you can be quick. Now same for the second eye. Another circle inside and fill up the remaining part. Now two eyebrows. 1, 2. For smile, we'll make an open smile. A sleepy line and then a U shape. Here is your orange. Now how do we draw the letter O? It's very similar to how we made an orange. You just need to make a slightly oval shape like a circle. This is the letter O. O for orange. Excellent work. See you in the next one.